Oh, I didn't name this thing in the live. Hello, how's everybody doing? How y'all doing? It is amazing to see you. Happy Taurus. Happy day of the Taurian adventure. Happy day of the groundedness, of the low to the ground, roots to the boots. I've had a beautiful day. A beautiful, beautiful day. Very Taurian. I woke up and I said, what do I crave? And then I went and did what I craved. I went and got myself coffee, and I told my mom something that I was craving for a trip that we're gonna take. Stay tuned for that. And that went well. A very well conversation with mother. A beautiful conversation with mother. Hashtag Taurus and Cancer. Child and mother. And then I had a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hike in nature. A beautiful hike. And I listened on the hike. I listened to what Earth energy wanted to say. And then we danced. I know. I filmed myself dancing. As I say it, I get a little embarrassed. But it was really fun to to within that feeling of connecting to Earth energy and groundedness. Taurus is foot to the floor. Taurus is tangibility. Taurus is the senses, it's sensuality, it's the body. The body. And so be able to embody the energy from this walk, from Earth, from nature. The moon was out. At 2 p.m., the moon was out. Hello. It was moon and the sun just right there, dancing with the elements. It was really beautiful. I'm gonna post it on my Patreon. So if you want to see it, go there. Also, let's have a moment of celebration for justice. Let's have a moment of celebration for that. Hi, Bill. That was part of what came up in the dance, was as I was in my meditative space, the moon was right there and the sun was at my back, and I felt the moon. The moon is the collective. The moon is the collective femininity. The moon is the feelings of the collective. And I opened myself up to feel that, to feel the collective. And then used the chakras and dance and trust and surrender to let the energy filter through my facility. There's so much with Taurus. There's so much richness, so much groundedness, so much. Sometimes too much. Sometimes overwhelming. But the gift with Taurus is you listen. You have the ability of patience. You have the innate ability to say, I'm going to stop for a minute and just be. I'm just gonna be. So with this Taurus season that started today, ask yourself, what do I crave? And then listen for the answer. What do I crave? And then listen for the answer. Let's do this tarot. Okay. So, come on, forgiveness. Come on, judgment. Every time that you judge someone else, you need to forgive what the judgment was within yourself. Judgment is forgiveness. Forgiveness of all the parties. The fact that it's at the bottom of the deck means that that's already been done. Think about that. Have you actively been forgiving? And if so, congratulations. If not, this is going to still be lingering for you. Heart of the matter, the Three of Pentacles upside down. Whose mountain are you climbing? And why are you climbing it? Is it actually a mountain that you've chosen to climb with spirit? Or are you climbing up a mountain that is pure ego, that is not the mountain that spirit has told you? Are you slipping off your mountain? What's going on? Your friends are not helping you. You're all alone. This is what to expect this season. Understanding what was started in Aries. Sensualizing what was started in Aries. We're still in isolation. We're still not ready to be bouncing and bopping with our good Judies to help us up the mountain. We need to embody it ourselves first. This is a global energy. This self-aligning, self-understanding of whose mountain you're on in a tangible way is going to be happening on a collective level. For the next 30 days, we are going to be collectively figuring this out for ourselves. Not sharing it. Not bringing too many people into it. We're still in our own worlds. Now here's the fun thing. Contradiction Central. The Three of Cups is directly underneath the Three of Pentacles. Okay, Three of Cups is your good Judies, your friends. This is the Tristerhood. This is the sisterhood of the traveling pants that all have so many things in them. So what this is saying is, yes, you have to go on this journey on your own. Yes, you need to do it for yourself. Yes, you need to keep going. Yes. We're not monetizing it. It's still in emotional form. So if you do reach out to people, if you do seek help, if you do feel like you can't do it on your own, and you must have some validation, then go to the smart people. Go to the people that you know you can be your most vulnerable and raw with. Go to the people that you know will not bullshit you. And as I put them down, this now became the heart of the matter, and then this became directly under. So we've had an evolution of heart of the matter. That's mid-month. Mid-month, we go from boop, boop, boop by ourselves, and then we bring our friends into it, our good Judies into it. Number one. Number two, and the outcome will be actually walking away from the mountain of darkness that is directly in front of you. Walking away from the mountain of darkness that is directly in front of you. That is what's happening. That is why you have to keep going. That is why because the sun needs to come out. The sun needs to come out in your journey. That's what's next. The journey has been dark. The journey has been trauma Swords. The journey has taken away your breath. You feel smothered in emotions, smothered in water, smothered in memory. The sun has to come out for a rainbow to form in the storm. You are the sun. You bring color into your journey. But how? Listening. Taurus, listen. Go to nature. Go to love. Go to the place that is sensational. And listen for what you hear there, what you feel there, what you see. What you see there. Dancing with the moon and sun today was a moment where I didn't allow my insecurity to stop from connecting. And it was really hard. And it took time to slip in. It took time to get to that realm. It took time to go deep enough to allow my consciousness to calm down. My consciousness to understand that I was safe. And then it flowed. And my body, my facility, was the portal of energy, was the flow from the moon to the earth. Taurus is how the moon gets to the earth. Taurus energy is how we know what mom is saying, what maternity is saying. Paternity. Take the gender wherever you will. What the moon is saying is danced and sensed and tangibilized with Taurus and craved with Taurus. When we feed our senses, we hear the moon. So, say yes to feeling. Say yes to feeling. And see what happens. I'm always here if you want to redink. So what is live at the moment is the Taurus workshop that I filmed when the moon was in Taurus on the 13th of April. It is live on my website. It's an hour and 15 minutes of brilliant exploration of Taurus energy. Go check that out. Also, I am starting to film videos and post them on my Patreon about this adventure that I have been on. And it has been a beautiful adventure. And I cannot wait to share it with you all. So, go to the website, go to the Patreon, and there's new content on OnlyFans too. All the things. Beedity bopple, boop boop, you are loved. You are so loved, you are so loved, you are so loved, you are so loved. Goodbye.